Oh, it's late. Let's call it a night.
No. The goldenrod deadline is tomorrow morning. I'll be damned if I let this fish get away.
All-nighter?
All-nighter.
Intern! Get down to the studio. We've got some editing to do. Oh, man, that midget could punch. What is this? I've been out all night partying, and this is the best you can do?
Keep your mom from wandering into the shot.
Crowd control is your job, stupid.
Take her out, right? It's a little masky, some blur.
I have research to do for next week's show.
Oh, it's cool. I can do special effects for the show.
Forget it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Done.
Mid deadline?
Yeah, the box is right there.
Thank you so much.
Hey, sexy face. Hey, why don't you do me a favor and pop that in the mail to the Goldenrod Society? You'd be a lifesaver.
Sure.
And I have a great idea. Why don't you round up all your lady friends and trot on over to our place? Gonna have ourselves a little party. And I know what you're thinking. And the answer is yes. You should bring your tools.
Mid deadline.
That's a wrap. Oh, not you. Your job's to answer the phones.
I spruced up the logo.
15, throw him a bone.
Good work.